on, Babas.
We don't want these murderers here. They are stealing our money, the British money, the Ugandan money. They are not giving us any services.
Yes, we had the discussions earlier. I know that you were initially unhappy about the out here. Obviously, thank you for listening. It means lots of been able to work it.
Thank you very much.
Let me just